Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are the teasers for the upcoming week of Sibongile and the Dlaminis, which you can expect on Monday the 28th of October 2024. In the hospital, Sibongile tries to help Kwenzo with a heartfelt declaration that he may not have heard. Samke reaches out to Vuma, and Klina finally answers Vusi's calls. Ukuzwayo also makes a declaration of his own. And then on Tuesday, the 29th of October, Kwenzo tells his family where he stands with Usbongile, and Jengayo apologizes to Jabu for what happened to his father. Samke and Vuma take a leap of faith, and so does Kuzwayo. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, Usbongile soon learns that every action has a consequence. Uvuma delivers devastating news to her that threatens her entire future. The unlikely friendship between Unelisiwe and Klina grows, while Ukuzwayo learns that all Samke can offer him is friendship. Uwenzeni receives a gift from someone she loves to hate. Guys, it looks like it's going to be an interesting week. It looks like Usbongile is gonna come clean with Ukwenzo, and it kind of looks like Ukwenzo is not going to be on her side. I don't know, but I mean that's the vibes that Ukwenzo normally gives me. Usamke story sakhe, guys, she's been leading Ukuzwayo on. So I'm curious to find out because the teaser does say that Ukuzwayo comes out with this confession while Usamke obviously moves, they take a leap of faith Vuma. So I'm curious to see Ukuzwayo, what is he going to do concerning that. Got to Sibongile, guys. Hey guys, there's consequences for her decisions, and maybe one of her decisions is there. And guys, but I feel sorry for her because now in this mess, Kachabu, it looks like she was always in on it, and the reason why she even started to sue the Dlaminis is because of Uchabu, which is the truth, you guys. Though Uchabu kind of did make her see the light, I just don't think it was the right time. But I can't blame her because at that time it seemed like Uchabu was helping her. I am also curious to find out because I mean Unjengaye apologizing to Uchabu, that is quite sincere after everything Uchabu did, because I mean Uchabu did some damage there, guys, by announcing his father's the cause of his father's death in front of Pamgwabantu, of the whole Durban, basically. So I'm curious to find out Uchabu, what is that going to do for him, because it seems like Uchabu miselanga, guys, to ever hear an apology coming from Unjengayo. So will that change Uchabu's plans? Or change of heart towards him as Sazio, guys? Tell me your expectations and your thoughts on these teasers. Please do make sure you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.